Example 2. Find the value of x in each of the following. First part, that is 30 degree. This side is equal to this side. This triangle is ABC and this is x. Now angle ABC is equal to, first is AB is equal to AC given. Therefore this angle ABC is x is equal to angle ACB. This angle is also x. Angles opposite to equal sides. Now therefore x plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property, 2x is equal to 180 minus 30. No, this is 50 degree given. This is 50. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 50. That is x is equal to 130 upon 2 is equal to 65 degree. In second part, triangle is given. This is 144 degree. This is D. This is B, C and A. And this part is equal to this. Now AC is equal to BC given. This is x. Therefore angle ABC is equal to angle BAC. These two angles are equal. Now 144, this is angle 144 plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So ABC is equal to 180 minus 144, that is 36 degree. Now this is 36 degree, sorry, this is 36 degree and this is also 36 degree. These both are is 36 degree. Now angle ABC plus angle BAC plus x is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property, these both are x, 36 and 36 is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 minus 36 plus 36 is 72. X is equal to 108 degree. Now third example. Third example, first part. Now this triangle is given. And this is A, B, C, right angle at B, that means it is 90 degree. And this angle is equal to this angle, this is x. Now we have to find x and y. Yes, now in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC given. Therefore x is equal to angle BCA. This angle is also x. Now x plus in triangle ABC, x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. X is equal to 90 upon 2, that is 45 degree. Now y plus x is equal to 180 degree. This is angle sum property. This is angles opposite to equal sides. This we have to mention. Now x is 45 degree, y is equal to y plus 45 is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 45, that is 145 degree. Now next part is y is equal to 135, yes, 135 degree, sorry. Now next part is second part. Triangle is given. This is B, this is A, this is C. These two sides are equal, and this is 92 degree, and this is X. Now angle BAC, this angle is also 92 degree, vertically opposite angle. Now in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC given. Therefore X is equal to angle ACB, angles opposite to equal sides. Now this is also X. Now X plus 92 is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property. This figure is also there, Y is also there. Now 2x plus 92 is equal to 2x is equal to 180 minus 92. 2x is equal to 88, x is equal to 88 divided by 2, that is 44. Now y plus x is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Now y plus 44 is equal to 180 degree. Now y is equal to 180 minus 44, that is 136 degree. Next example 3, third part. Third part is triangle is given. It is right angle at here, that is BAC is 90 degree. These two sides are given equal, and this is X, and another triangle is there. Here it is Y, and these three sides are equal. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC given. Therefore X is equal to angle ABC. Angles opposite to equal sides. Now X, this is also X. X plus 90 is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property. 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, x is equal to 90 upon 2, that is 45 degree. Now here in triangle ACD, CD is equal to AC given. Therefore y is equal to this is also y is equal to angle CAD, angles opposite to equal sides. Now x is equal to this exterior angle x is equal to interior opposite है y plus y, that x is 45, no, x is equal to 45, this exterior angle is, yes, 45 is equal to 2y, that implies y is equal to 45 by 2, that is 22.5 degree, or you can write 22.5 degree. Now example 4. Example 4 is, in the joining figure, AB is parallel to DC. Figure is given. This A, B, D, C, and this line is there. This is angle Z. This is Y. This is 35 degree. And this angle is X. This is 60 degree. This is Y. Now this is given AB is parallel to 68 degrees, sorry. Angle ABC is equal to 68 degrees. It is given. Angle DAC is equal to 35 degree. Now find the value of x, y, z. Now in triangle ACD, angle ACD is equal to angle DAC, because it is given that AD is equal to DC. It is given. Therefore these two angles are equal. So angle ACD is equal to 35 degree. That means this angle is also 35 degree. Now in triangle ADC, x plus 35 plus 35 is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property, x is equal to 180 minus 70, x is equal to 110. Now AB is parallel to this, AB is parallel to DC, and AC is a transversal. Therefore y is equal to 35. Y is equal to angle ACD, alternate interior angles. Therefore y is equal to 35 degree. Now z plus y plus 68 is equal to 180 degree. Y plus z plus 68 is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. So z, y की value, the value of y is 35 plus 68 plus z is equal to 180 degree, which implies z is equal to 180 minus 35 minus 68, so z is equal to 77 degree. Now last example, that is fifth example. Example 5. The ratio between the vertical angle, suppose this is a triangle ABC. The ratio between the vertical angle and a base angle of an isosceles triangle is, these two sides are equal. So ratio between vertical angle is to base angles is 4:3. Let the vertical angle is equal to 4x. Each base angle, both are equal, base angle is equal to 3x. So this is 3x and this is 3x and this is 4x. So now in triangle ABC, 4x plus 3x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree angle sum property. So this is 10x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 upon 10, that is 18 degree. Now vertical angle is equal to 4 into 4x, that is 4 into 18, that is 72 degree. Each base angle is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 18, that is 54 degree. So all the three angles is 72 degree, 54 degree and 54 degree. Now exercise 10.3 is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.